Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you two ways you can hide your bangs. So let's jump right into the video. Just going to grab a section of my hair and twist it back like this. Going to add more hair from the front and twist it back as well. Once I'm done with my twist, just going to secure it with a ball pin. Going to do the same exact thing on the other side as well. So this is pretty much it for the first one. So for the second hairstyle, what I decided to do was a Dutch lace braid. This is pretty much like a normal Dutch braid, but instead of adding hair from both the sides, we just had hair from the front section. Just do this very tightly because we don't want our bangs to unravel. Once you're done with your braid, just secure it with a ball pin. Going to do the same exact thing on the other side as well. So yeah, this is two ways how I like to hide my bangs. So if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more such videos.